welcome back to Gunbusters. It's been a while since our last video, like a couple months. Oh, it was a month ago. Anyhow, I got a new gun to show you. It's a Smith Wesson CSX. It's a Micro 9. I had an option between the two. I was thinking about getting a 6-hour P365X or this one, but I wanted an American-made handgun, and it had to have a safety. I like having safeties on carry guns, especially when they're this small, to reduce the risk of you accidentally shooting yourself, or maybe even endangering someone else. I'll go over the features. It has a ambi safety and an ambi release, which I just don't normally use ambi releases, for mag stop. And you can even rack it with the safety on. Now, the trigger is kind of wonky, which I've noticed sometimes, which I've heard other people saying that it would release funny. And it would feel like you got reset, and you don't release it all the way and you have a dead trigger. It only happened to me once. It might have been my fault, I'm not sure. There's other people that have had that issue. It comes with a 10 round mag and a 12 round, and I think those are the only two sizes you can get. It comes with white painted sights. It shoots 9mm Luger, and it'll shoot up to plus P, and it's not recommended to shoot plus P+. It's got nice texture on the grips. It's aluminum lower, so it weighs a little bit. It's right around 19 ounces. And to do a little bit of a size comparison, I brought a Glock out here for all those Glock fanboys, right? Do a size comparisons of a sort of a full-size-ish kind of gun. It's a 17 round magazine capacity with a 4-inch barrel. This has a 3-inch. Yeah, it's quite a bit smaller. That's why you wouldn't want to carry one of these guns in deep concealment, or even just concealed carry in the summertime. You're likely to give away that you're carrying a gun. That's why they made these kind of size, this kind of gun. There's other ones, not just Smith & Wesson, you can buy for carry. Even revolvers will work. Now, enough talking, I'll just get to shooting. It's been a while since I've been firing a gun lately. I bet it shows. Shooting at a target about, I think it's maybe 15 yards away. I'm going to try and shoot one of these defective bullets in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's bent on each end. Going to see if it'll fire. It's one of these not Federal, it's Blazer CCI 9mm. See if it'll shoot. Oops. Oh, look at that. It tried to come out of the casing. You can see where it was crimped. That ring all the way around it. It didn't even have powder in it. No powder and a defective primer. Don't see that often. It's weird. I haven't had that problem with the trigger. With any reset or anything. It's not acting all wonky or anything like that. I think I paid, it was $5.50 before taxes. I can't remember how much it was after. It all depends on where you're at. The MSRP is like $600. This is probably about the price you'd want for a carry gun. You wouldn't want to go up to like $800 for a carry gun, unless it fits your needs. Alright, so there you have it. Smith & Wesson CSX. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. Serrations so you don't get glare. The sights sit kind of high, which for a carry gun you might snag, depending on how you, like if you have it in your pocket or something, but a lot of people like that because you can cock it off of one-handed. If you lose an arm, get shot or something. It's a really nice shooter. I like it. If you have any questions, if I left anything out, comment below. Other than that, we're going to wrap it up. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.